Well, today we got something a little bit different. Going to be looking at some new pliers from Knipex. These are one of the most talked about tools on the internet as far as pliers are concerned. That is the Knipex TwinGrips. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just a quick little unboxing and review of some of these TwinGrip pliers from Knipex. I already had this version here, the 8-inch version. These were released in mid-2021, I think around July. They came out with the Comfort Grip handle and the standard handle. The only difference is the part number 8201-200 rather than these are 8202-200. If you see right here in the end of the job, there's vertical serrations so that you can grip a fastener not only from the side like traditional slip joint or combination pliers, but you can also grip it from the end or use the front face of this so you can grab onto a nut or a bolt or even a screw and turn it out. Now these will also, of course, grab onto any nut or bolt or other fastener and grip it from the side, and you can turn that out or loosen it that way. That's the reason for the name TwinGrip, is the fact that you can grip something from the side or from the front. Now the jaws are also kind of unique in the sense that they're somewhat offset. You see how that is not a mirror image? That's very similar to the jaws on the Knipex Cobras. But there are differences, and they're very key differences. Besides not having the vertical serrations like you do with the TwinGrips, the teeth on the Cobras are designed more aggressively. So the ones on the top are angled back and the ones on the bottom are angled forward. When you grab onto a pipe or whatever it is that you're turning with the water pump pliers, they're going to dig into that material and only turn that direction. With the TwinGrips, it doesn't matter. You could turn it left or right, or you could flip these around. It doesn't really matter. But because it does have the same offset jaw, that really helps out when you're grabbing something like flat stock. You have 3 points of contact with these jaws. The TwinGrips bite down, they dig in, and I mean, you can really feel a big difference with this design versus this right here. And not necessarily that TwinGrip design, but that jaw design and having those opposing teeth, so that where you have 3 points of contact with the TwinGrips. You know, your traditional slip joint pliers is 2 positions, 1 and 2. This 8-inch version has 5 different positions. You just push that button and move it over however much you need, depending on the size of the bolt, nut, or other fastener that you're trying to take out. For example, you know, if something is stripped and you can't get a socket on there or a wrench, these pliers are really handy for putting things in, getting them started, or even taking them out and getting the job done. They do open up pretty big as well. I think the jaws on this go from 4 millimeters all the way up to 22 millimeters. Now you can also grip lots of other things that might be a unique shape or unique design. This little valve got a little knurled thumb screw on it, but that is too tight for me to loosen with my fingers. But here's the Knipex TwinGrip. Pop it on there and it loosens easily. There's just so many different uses and so many different trades, so many different reasons to carry TwinGrips with you. I'm really happy that I picked these up, and I've been using these ones quite a bit. I've got them in one of my Handyman bags. I don't use them as much on cars, but I'm sure that now that I've got a few different pairs, I'll probably pick up some more because I just really like to use these. But they're great to have around the house or any other handyman jobs that I do. These are super nice pliers. And I am glad that I went with the Comfort Grip. I know some people are somewhat indifferent on the grips, but the Comfort Grip for me really does make a difference. You can really grip down on that and it doesn't dig into your hand. Now, by the way, these are all made in Germany. They're all labeled on the package and on the tool. These are labeled made in Germany right here underneath the handle. Now let's go ahead and open up the other sizes. Let's open up the 6-inch ones here first. Now these ones are of course the non-Comfort Grip or the standard grip, the 8201, and 150 is just referring to the length. The 150 millimeters are really close to 6 inches. But I thought these would be really handy to have, you know, even like a pocket EDC type of tool. The jaw capacity on these are from 3 up to 16 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch up to 5/8 of an inch. And it has that same push button adjustment. But on these, there are 3 positions, not 5 like the 8-inch version. And I believe we've got more on the 10-inch version here too. But you've got the same design there with the vertical serrations on this smaller one. So you're gonna be able to grab onto things from the end, which is really neat. Or of course you can still use that same side access and tighten or loosen something like you would a normal pair of pliers, but we can still grip onto something flat and really bite down on it. I mean, that is a solid, nice grip. Really nice tool. You know, this is also a smaller head, so if you do need to get into a tight or recessed area, this 6-inch version is going to work great. Let's open these ones up now. Man, those are nice. So let's see, these open from 5 millimeters up to 27 millimeters, and we've got 7 positions of adjustment on the 10-inch version here. Man, you're going to be able to grip onto some pretty big stuff there. That's a pretty impressive grip. I mean, I can't even rotate this, even with that long extended piece there. That is really impressive. This is a torch fitting, by the way, I think. Yeah, it's Burnzo-matic. You've got a lot of reach, a lot of strength on that. But if you adjust that all the way down, again, you've got those same 3 points of contact, and that is just impressive. That is not letting go. Got the same edge gripping there on a nut or something like that. I can really see these getting a lot of use around here. Makes you feel like you've got a lot more leverage, a lot more grip. It's not too big. I mean, that still fits in the hand just fine, but I can see how these will come in handy on a lot of different jobs. Now, this 10-inch version also has the little holes in the end because they sell a little KNIPEXTEND color-coded clips. It basically just slides in through here, and that will not only identify your tool with maybe a certain color, so you don't get it mixed up with another person's tool, or you can also just identify what tool you have in your bag. Or they also have little clips that will slide up through here, and you can tie that off or use a lanyard, especially if you're working up high and you don't want to drop this, or you, of course, can't afford to drop it. Like all of Knipex tools, I'm very impressed with the quality, and these are no surprise. The hype is definitely worth it. There is a reason that these are the most talked about pliers on the internet. That TwinGrip design really is impressive, but overall, it's the overall function and feel, and I love that push button selector and having the ability to have all of those different positions of adjustment, and to not only be able to grip fasteners from the front and from the side, but it also has those unique jaws and definitely does grip onto things, whether it be a unique shape or something that's flat stock. They work great and they do exactly what you want. Definitely worth it, in my opinion. Whether you're a plumber, HVAC technician, electrician, or mechanic, these are so handy to have, and just have them either in your toolbox or your tool bag, or just take them on the road. I really, really like these and use them all the time, and I'm sure that I'll use the 6-inch and the 10-inch version as well. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get links in the description where you can pick up all of these from Knipex as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.